Everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittney and welcome to Real Estate Brittney. So on this channel, I talk about all things real estate. I talk about credit repair. I also talk about the back end of the financial funding process, what it takes to get approved for a mortgage, why you may have been declined. And I shared more about myself and my experience in my introductory Get to Know Me video that I will have linked down below. Be sure to check that out if you have not done so already. Also, if yourself or if you know anyone that is interested in buying or selling a home, my contact information is always down below. So be sure to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help. And today I want to talk about an important piece if you are looking at purchasing your home. One piece of information, a document that a lot of realtors are going to ask for is a pre-approval letter. Now, this is very different from a pre-qualification. I mean, they have some similarities, but ultimately, I'm going to break down how they're different and why you want to have a pre-approval letter versus a pre-qualification. So before we get into this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, please make sure that you're subscribed and also enroll in my email mailing list if you have not done so already. That link is down below as well. So pre-qualification is giving you a generalized approval on certain guidelines. I'll give you an example. Let's say you call the bank and you speak with a loan officer and you advise them of your credit score. You say, hey, I have a credit score of 640. My debt to income is this, this, and that. They do a debt to income analysis. They get a ratio for you and they ask you about your job history. They ask you a couple other questions to see if you would most likely qualify for lending from their bank. And so you can get a pre-qualification over the phone. And pretty much that's just the lender saying, okay, based on the information that you're giving me, you would fit into our criteria where we would most likely give you an approval, most likely. But it doesn't take any hard, concrete information into consideration in the same aspect that a pre-approval letter would give you. So a pre-approval letter is different. So the bank is going to actually pull your credit. The bank is going to ask for verifying documents to support the income that you're listing. They're also going to ask for additional verification a lot of times to make sure that you actually qualify, not hypothetically, not based on the information or figures that you provided, but that you actually qualify in their system. And they're going to give you an amount that you qualify for, and that's your pre-approval amount. Now, they're also going to say that there's a chance that that pre-approval can change. So it's contingent on you having this income. It's contingent on your debt to income. So that's why a lot of lenders will say, hey, don't open any other lines of credit. Don't make any large purchases while you're shopping for this home using this pre-approval letter. We want all of the information to stay as it is so that we could still honor the pre-approval when you do find the home that you're interested in buying. So a lot of times you'll see people get confused with the pre-qualification and pre-approval. It sounds very similar, and they are in a sense similar, but they're very different. With some other reasons that pre-qualifications vary from pre-approvals is a pre-qualification, like I mentioned before, it's information you're giving, okay? It's not necessarily information that they have concretely checked. So you may go on Credit Karma and you may think that your credit score is a 680, but it may not be once they actually pull credit. You may think that you can include all of the income that you didn't claim on your taxes. I've met so many different entrepreneurs that have not claimed all of their income. And when it comes time to do even like an auto loan, they're taken back because they're not able to claim off the income that isn't verifiable. It's unverifiable income. So there's a lot to consider when you are just going off of the pre-qualification. Please get a pre-approval. Make sure that you are approved. If you cannot get a pre-approval, keep in mind that it's not a no, it's not a hard no, it's just not a right now. And we can always look at ways to get you to the position where you can get the pre-approval and move closer to obtaining your dream home. So I just wanted to put that out there and help kind of distinguish between pre-approvals and pre-qualifications. I really hope that this video helped. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to sign off now and I will come back to you all with the next video.